Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of Euro USD, USDCAD, USDJPY and USDCHF has moved in the last week, or how these Forex are moving. Okay, how these Forex can move in the next week. Okay, so now what we can see looking at the chart. If you look at the chart, what we can see that the Euro USD, okay, moving currently around 1.09819, okay, and a M pattern is forming in this particular zone. So what we can see, if you look at the M pattern, what we can see, support will test, okay, because these already being tested here once. So if it will test for the third time, so probability of moving downside will be high. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.08900, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 1.07642, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 1.06635. okay, now again I repeat, suppose if the price goes below this level 1.08271, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 1.0756, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 1.06635. okay, and once if it goes below a level of 1.0635, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 1.052, and from there we can see it can fall further towards a level of 1.0391. Suppose if this level sustain, then we can see it can fall it can move further upside towards a level of 1.12127, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1.13931, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.14685, and from there we can see a level of 1.15063. These levels are already being tested here, so probability of going towards a level of 1.15943 is high, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1.17453, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.18333. okay, and once if it goes above this level, we can see further upside. If we talk about USDCAD, okay, if we talk about USDCAD, we can see this is the range where it is moving since long, okay, and now it is in this particular range we have seen it as moving. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding Forex or any other commodities, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in Forex and other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. Suppose if the price goes below this level, okay, we can see it can move further towards a level of 1.23457, and from there we can see it can fall towards a level of 1.22894. suppose if the price goes below this level, because 1.23 is already being tested here, so probability if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.20643. okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 1.20080. okay, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.19095, and once if it goes below this, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 1.12 also. But suppose if it sustains this level, then we can see it can move upside, okay, because we can see a green candle is forming. But suppose if it sustain a level of 1.27, which is its next 1.26, which is the next resistance, if this level sustain, we can see it can move towards a level of 1.27537, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1.28943. This level is already being tested here, so probability of going towards a level of 1.29647 is high, and these levels are already being tested 1.29. okay, if it goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.30350, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level 1.32883. okay, and then it can move further upside, because since 2021 we have seen it is moving in this particular zone. Once this zone breaks, we can see further upside. If we talk about USD CHF, USDJPY, then we can see, yes, probability USDJPY has already been touched 122. okay, I have already told you that USDJPY will touch a level of further upside, because we have seen the particular range has break upside. okay, so probability will be high, have been high that it can touch further upside. okay, now it has touched a level of 123.5, current trading at around 122.086. okay, now it is touching around 122. okay, so if it sustain this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 123.660, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 1.24629, and from there we can see see it can touch a level of 125.322. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level 126.04 also. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can fall further towards a level of 121.445, and once this level goes down, then we can see a level of 120.615. and suppose the price didn't sustain that level also, then a strong support coming at around 118. So once this 118 breaks downside, then we can see it can come in this particular zone again. okay, now if we talk about USDCHF, see, if we talk about USDCHF, we have seen that a narrow pattern is forming. okay, so suppose a narrow pattern is forming now, currently trading at around 0.93036. suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can move upside towards a level of 0.93757, and if this level, these levels are already being tested here, so probability will be high, we can see a level of 0.94612. this level is already being tested here, so probability will be high, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 0.96453. okay, because once this level break upside 0.94809, once this level break upside, we can see it can move further upside towards level of 0.96585. okay, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards level of 0.97703. okay, because we have seen since 2021 it is in this particular zone. Once this zone break upside, we can see if it goes above a level of 0.94612, we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of 0.98229 also. But if this level didn't sustain, we can see it will move again in this particular zone. okay, and the next resistance we can see is coming around 0.92705, and from there we can see a level of 0.91719. if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 0.911127, and from there we can see a level of 0.90404. so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.